Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to divide a circle perfectly. We're going to make a circle with 8 segments and a circle with 20 segments. 20 segments is what you have in a dartboard. And we're going to begin by going to Insert, Shapes, and we take this object, and make it a fixed position, Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, we make it black, weight, a little bit darker. Okay, so first for the 8-piece segment, we're going to copy this, paste, and then we just overlay it. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to say home, select both objects. Okay, should have both of them selected, and then we go shape format, align, center. So one is exactly superimposed on the other. For 8 segments, you take 360 degrees divided by 8, which will give you 45. I'm going to go just highlight it, go to shape format, selection pane. So now we have 2 of them. So we're going to take the one and I'm going to go rotate. We basically are selecting one. More rotation options. Go in here and put 45. Okay. Now I'm going to go control and select both of them now. And we're going to make it the same size. So I don't know what, if it was 15 or something like that. 15, and then I'm going to put 15 centimeters. And so now you have, they're both the same size. And one is 45 degrees off to the side. So that's how you would get an 8 segment. We're going to do a 20 segment. And I'm just going to show you an Excel spreadsheet here. Okay, so for the 8 pieces that we just did, you need 2 circles. That'll give you 8 pieces. And then if you divide a 360 by 8, you get 45. So now for the 20 piece, we're going to have the first segment's going to be at the 18 degree. The second one's going to be at the 36. The third is going to be at the 54. And we're just going to do the 5. There's 5 circles, so we're just going to do the first 5 degrees. And then that'll give us all the correct segments. So I'm just going to, again, just to start from the beginning. And we'll go through all the steps again. So you go insert, shapes, and I'm going to select this one. We call it flowchart summing junction, but it's just a circle with an X through it. Just draw it any old way. It doesn't have to be perfectly equal for now. That doesn't matter. Take out the shape fill. Shape outline, I like to use just to make it easier to see the black, and then the weight, just increase it a bit. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm just going to copy them. The other thing you can probably do, you can probably put it 15 now. We'll try that now. Try 15 each one, and we'll see if that lines it up better, but we'll go through the same process. So copy. Also, I'm just going to change it to fixed position. Again, copy. And paste. I'm going to do that 4 more times so that we have 5 circles. Okay. That's good. what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select one circle, go in the selection pane, and I'm going to hit the control key, and then with the left mouse button, I'm going to select each one. So now we've selected 5. You can also go to the home and then select objects, which I showed you how to do many times. So now that we have everything selected, we're in shape format. We go to align center. Just see here. Align middle also helps. Unselect everything first, so they're all unselected. Rotate each circle. We go into flowchart summing junction number 1. That's the first circle. And then now we go into rotate, more rotation options. And under rotation, we will use 18 degrees. For the second circle, rotate options. That'll be 36. Third one, 54. And the fourth, 72. And then for the fifth, 90. And that's it. Thanks for watching.